Hi friends, welcome to Projector Repair Vault. We are going to replace the lamp of Dell projector. Its model is Dell 1210s. It's DLP projector. In this model, it's very easy to replace. Only two screws available to remove on the cover. 1 and 2. It's simply replaceable, and also two screws for the lamp housing. Now it's simply removable. This is the Dell 121 OS projector. It's with housing. We will get this lamp separately. It is available with us in laptop and Projector Repair Vault. Thanks for watching this video.